Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to slice apart your objects. I've got an example object. Firstly, go to Part Workbench, create primitives, select the plane. So let's set the length to 70 by 70, create, then close. With the plane selected, right-click in the view, transform. Let's move it to the middle of the cube. That should do. Hit OK. Now, convert the body to a solid. Also the plane with the part and convert to solid. Now, first click the body and with Control click the plane. Then go to Part, Split, Slice Apart. Now if you open the exploded slice, you will see you got two separate slices. Hope you like this tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe, and you can also support me, link in the description. Thank you for watching.